you seriously videoing?
Yeah.
Oh god.
Until you told me to stop.
Don't watch it.
This is what the floor looks like. Hold on. It gets worse.
No, it doesn't.
No, not really.
Right here.
Oh! And then there's Jennifer throwing popcorn.
And money.
And money. And pennies. Icy. Okay, bye. I'm stopping it.
You don't need to stop it.
I'm not going to. I was joking.
Oh.
Let me see if you're believing me or not.
Well, I know what we can listen to.
Yeah. Maybe it can get on both of us if we go like this. Oh, it's gonna fall. If we like headbang in the same spot, we're gonna hit.
Oh, we have microphones. I saw the orange one. I have two. What now, bitch? I can be the drummer.
That looks weird. Brandon. Wait. I don't know. There we go. There's Daniel.
That's Daniel.
Minnie.
Ready?
Oh shit!
And said the backwards that it came from. You know how many times we videoed this song?
Us?
Just this song.
Like baseball. Oh fuck! I broke your face.
Oh,
I
no,
fixed
no.
it though.
Just, you cannot touch the other one.
Okay. I won't touch it
Because
anymore.
if it falls out, I'm screwed.
The humbug. Your I am is bothering me.
Just Seymour.
Whoa.
I don't really care.
Estilo de Pedro. Estilo de Pedro. Pedro. Sing. I had a microphone for you. So nice.
Are you okay? Did I hit you in the face?
No. Wait, you hit me.
I think my mic was hit here.
You don't like it though.
My mic.
This popcorn is horrible. I want to know what Joe is putting that stuff on.
Okay.
Oh. Oh. Are you freaking Brandon?
You believe?
He says, oh. Oh no, he's just kidding.
Kazaz?
Kazaz.
Kazaz?
Are we gonna watch
You
a
tell
movie?
me.
Or are you tired? You keep doing that. I use this as my microphone. I'm a dumbass. Oh, I thought it said it too.
It is saying it. We're saying it.
Are we gonna headbang?
Well, the song's kind of over.
Oh, fuck. I'm gonna get you to start doing that.
Oops.
That went far.
Okay, you're not Polly.
Oh.
Okay, you're not
Oh.
Polly. You're not
Oh, you wanna go? Oh, I thought you were looking at the wall. Is it still going? We could show him Casey.
No, please don't.
Ghost! Oh, never mind. Poor Casey. They can't tell that is.